Dealing with damage from Tropical Storm Arthur here. South Shore Annapolis Valley Recreational Trail. Lots of overhead stuff. That's a big old piece of pine tree. Just kind of give an idea of what we're up against here. And this is the main rails trails between Middleton and New Germany. Give you an idea how much overhead stuff we've got going here. There's like a 12-inch fir, lots of spruce down, and again lots of overhead hangers. And what we're going to do is try and get through here. We've made it. This is near Albany Meadows, just south. We've made it from Middleton, so we've cut probably 200 so far today. I'm just sort of scoping this out before we get started. It's anything but special. Most of it's out by the roots sort of thing. A lot of pole saw work. Basically any mature trees in here are down. Goes for quite some distance, as you can see. And Noreen looks right ready to go. We got Brian coming up behind us. Probably take us a few minutes to get through here.